Now, a main reason why I love flying my drone in the city is that you can get awesome shots like these. There's a couple steps you want to do beforehand, and those are: one, to make sure that there's no geozones, as in like an airport or a prison or anything like that. Now, what I use is an app called Aloft. Now, what this app will do is you can go through and see where you can fly, and if it says you have to get approval, you can go in here, you can go in the app, and it can automatically approve you for it. Now, the second thing you want to do is to make sure to plan out your shots beforehand, because I know you can get into a city and want to fly, and you can skip over a couple spots that could have given you an awesome location. At least I know I do. Now, a thing to make sure that you don't miss anything is you can download Google Earth, and what that will do is you can go in and look around what would be an awesome subject to film, so then you can pick the optimal time to fly. The third thing you want to do is make sure your drone's in peak condition, because you don't want to be flying and have it drop and hit someone. Now, you don't want your drone to automatically return to home and hit a building on its way. Now, a good way to counteract that is to raise your return to home altitude. You want to set it above the building's height. Take these two examples. For one, you could be flying in between a bunch of tall buildings where your signal's going to be really bad and you're not going to get that far with your drone. Or you could be flying on like a roof or in a parking lot and you can get some really good signal. Now, you're going to get pretty bad signal anyways in a city. There's no way to counteract that. But hopefully now you can know a couple ways to get some more signal and to fly a little bit safer in the cities and not worry about your drone as much. I'm Zane Shaw, and keep flying.